Okay, good day everyone. So we will be discussing about Bernoulli's principle. So grabe ang haba ng mga formulas na yan. Pero madali lang naman yan. Depende sa given, di ba? Okay, so we have here pressure. We have density times velocity to the power of 2. We have density times gravity times height. That is potential energy. This kinetic energy. Then ganun din sa kabila. Okay. So let's go directly. These are the standard forms of Bernoulli's equation. So on this slide, yung focus na natin is with dito sa pangatlo siguro. Dito tayo magpo-focus sa pumps. Okay? So this will be our formula. This one, number 3, pump. So pag pump, matatanggal na tong H turbine. Tatanggalin natin yan kasi turbine, wala nang turbine. Pump lang tayo. So we will just use this formula for the meantime. Okay. So, assumptions and limitations of Bernoulli's equation. Kailangan yung fluid is incompressible. The flow is steady. The flow is inviscid. No energy loss due to friction. The flow is along a streamline. Pero sa marine engineering, some real-world conditions such as friction losses and turbulence must be accounted for using correction factors like the head loss equation. So, okay. So, applications of Bernoulli's equation marine engineering. First, for the valve and piping flow. So, yung flow dyan, nako-compute natin yung, gagamit natin yung Bernoulli's equation. So, pressure drops in pipelines are analyzed using Bernoulli's equation. Helps in designing marine fuel cooling and bilge water system used to determine flow velocity and pressure losses in different pipe sections. So yung mga losses natin dyan, kailangan natin malaman kung ilan lang yung flow na dumadaan dyan sa ating mga pipes. Okay, another application of Bernoulli's equation is in pump flow characteristic like this one. So this is the pump. So Bernoulli's principle is used to evaluate suction discharge pressure. Maybe this is a pump or a blower. So in centrifugal and reciprocating pump. So kailangan pumps yan. So helps in calculating net positive suction head to prevent cavitation and marine pump. So to calculate for the pump flow natin dito, so meron tayong formula which is, we have here the P1 over the density of the liquid times the gravity, which is common naman yan, plus the velocity, so dito itong V1 to the power of 2 divided by 2 times gravity, plus H1, ito yung H1 natin, head, plus, or potential head, plus H, which is, ay yung malaking H, ito yung pump natin mismo, ito yung pump head. Ito yung nandito yung H natin sa pump head. So, given yan ang ating, or yan maybe yung isolve natin, depende. Okay? Is equals to the pressure on the discharge, ito yung P2, over density times gravity, plus velocity to the power of 2 divided by 2 times gravity, plus H2, which is the losses. H2. HL pala yung losses, which H2 is another potential head. Ito yung head natin. So that will be our formula. Okay, another application of Bernoulli's equation is sa water jet propulsion natin sa mga, ito yung ginagamit ng mga ocean jet, ng mga super ferry, super cat, yun. Yung mga fast craft ng boats, ng mga ferry boats, or yun, fast craft. So, ito yung ginagamit nila, water jet propulsion. So, using this one, ito parang may nozzle dito na parang paghigop niya na hangin, binubugan niya dito at fast or high velocity. Para siyang inipit mo yung nozzle ng isang firefighting equipment or ng fire nozzle natin. So, susiri talaga yung tubig paglabas dyan. Okay, another application of Bernoulli's equation is using the orifice flow. Ito yung orifice. For our Venturi meter and for other flow meters. So these are different types of flow meters. Wala ata dito. Sana yan? Okay, wala dito. Maybe sa next slides pa yan. Okay, and the different flow meters, ginagamit din yung Bernoulli's equation. Okay, so let's continue. Let's start with the formula, problem solving. So this will be your formula, P1 over PG plus V1 squared over 2G plus H1 is equals to, ganyan. Incomplete na ito. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin natin. Ito. Plus H. Okay. So, yung problem natin dito is, let's go. So, these are a problem. We have density of 1,000 kilograms, so this might be fresh water. Gravity of 9.81 meter per second. D1, which is ito, diameter ng ating pipe is 1.5 meter with an H2 of D2 diameter outlet, which is 0.10 meter. Also, we have the H1, this one. H1 yung head natin, potential head, which is 1.5 meter dito. And then, potential head dito sa outlet is 2.4 meters pala. Okay. The pressure here is given naman din, 100 kilopascal. And then, the pressure 2 is also 300 kilopascal. So, given na rin siya. So, HL natin, yung head loss natin dito, ito HL, losses. Head loss natin is around 2 meter. And then, yung flow rate, volume flow rate natin is 0.01 cubic meter per second. So, yan yung mga given natin. So, how do we solve this? First, we have to get the velocity. So, para makuha natin yung V, we will use the formula Q is equals to AV. Yung kanina, ginamit natin dun sa first video, yung sa volume flow rate. So, para makuha natin yung V, which is, ito yung velocity natin. Gagamitin natin dyan. So, ito yung una natin gagawin. So, to get for the V1, so we will use the flow rate, which is 0.01. This is given na ito. Given. So, area is equals to pi d squared over 4. So, yung D1 natin is 0.15. So, yun yung gagamitin natin para makuha natin yung area. And then, yung Q natin, which is given na kanina, 0.01, divided by the area, makukuha natin yung velocity 1 natin. And then, pag nakuha natin, nilalagay na natin yan dyan sa ating equation. And then, kung kailangan natin kunin yung V2 natin dito. So, para makuha natin yan, kunin natin yung area. Divide mo yung flow rate, volume flow rate Q over the area 2. So, makuha mo yung V2 mo. So, meron ka na dyan. So, pag tinignan natin, masasubstitute na natin lahat. Okay? So, mangyayari, so yung H, ito yung requirement natin or required natin na kukunin. Pero given na itong lahat, kasi na-solve na natin, so yung gagawin natin, yung H1 dito, isililipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative H1. Yung V1 squared over 2G is ililipat natin dito sa kabila, magiging negative V1 squared over 2G. And then yung P1 over PG din dito, ililipat natin sa kabila para magiging dito, lipat natin sa kabila, so magiging negative siya. So kailangan negative to. Or kung positive naman yan, lagyan mo ng parenthesis. Okay? So i-add mo na lang. So add mo yung P2 over PG plus V2 squared over 2G plus H2 minus P1 over PG minus V1 squared over 2G minus H1 minus H. So, head loss should be negative, tama? Kasi losses siya. Okay, so this should be negative. So, minus HL. So, pag nakuha mo yan, or you will put a parenthesis here. Ano ba to? Wait. Okay, sulatan natin. Okay. Or, kung naka-add yan, lagyan mo ng parenthesis dito. I-add mo yan lahat. Minus mo siya dito sa unang mga. So, and then after that, you compute using the calculator, and then you will get an answer. I'm not sure if this one is correct, kasi walang parenthesis nakalagay. Kailangan may nakalagay dyan na parenthesis. And then, use your calculator na lang to double check if tama ito or mali, o baka mali ito. Okay? So, be sure, kailangan i-practice mo yan sa bahay, and then, i-calculate mo talaga using your own calculator. Do not focus on this slide alone. Okay? So, answer it, and comment mo na lang kung tama ba yung nakalagay dito sa slide natin or mali. Comment mo na lang sa video natin. Okay? Okay. So, this one, di natin kukunin to calculate the power added by the pump and the NPSH. So, this is another problem. Problem number 1. So, you can practice this one. Okay? Practice nyo ito sa bahay. So, ganyan. So, madali lang naman to. Medyo mahaba nga lang yung mga nakalagay. Maraming nakalagay, pero madali lang siya. Okay, so why is this important? So, important the Bernoulli's equation marine engineering helps in designing efficient fuel, cooling, and lubrication systems in ships. ensures optimal flow rates in pipes, pumps, and flow meters, used in the development of high-speed water jet propulsion, and assists in diagnosing pressure losses and optimizing energy efficiency in marine systems. So that's it. So I hope you learned something today, and our next video will be on friction in liquid flow. So medyo mabilis lang yung discussion natin. So I hope you learned something today, and I'll see you on our next video.